2027 Hyundai Palisade is a luxurious and spacious three-row SUV that offers a comfortable and refined driving experience. Its bold exterior design, with its signature grille and sleek lines, commands attention on the road. Inside, the Palisade boasts a spacious and well-appointed cabin with high-quality materials and advanced technology features. The second and third rows offer ample legroom and comfort for passengers, making it ideal for families and road trips. Under the hood, the Palisade is powered by a robust V6 engine that delivers smooth acceleration and impressive towing capacity. The smooth ride quality and quiet cabin make it a pleasure to drive on long journeys. The Palisade also comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features, including advanced driver assistance systems to ensure the safety of its occupants. One of the standout features of the 2027 Palisade is its luxurious interior. The top trim models offer premium amenities like quilted leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium sound system. The intuitive infotainment system, with its large touchscreen display, provides easy access to navigation, music, and other connected features. Overall, the 2027 Hyundai Palisade is a well-rounded SUV that excels in comfort, practicality, and style. It offers a compelling package for families and individuals who prioritize space, luxury, and safety. With its impressive array of features and refined driving dynamics, the Palisade is a strong contender in the competitive mid-size SUV segment.